Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to add a planned task on your to-do list for Microsoft Office 365 on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Office 365, be able to use to-do list. We can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account and now go to to-do list. The purpose of this video is to show you how to add a planned task within to-do. So let's go to the left hand side navigation menu, click on planned, add a task due today. So let's now create a task. The task could be photo edit using Photoshop. And this task could be assigned for tomorrow. Now let's click on add. If we click on this task, we can have a reminder sent to us tomorrow at 9 o'clock. And then this website todo.office.com would like to show alerts in the notification center. Click on allow. And there you go. Tomorrow, this will pop up as a notification within the notification center to remind myself that I must photo edit using Photoshop. Let's amend the task. So let's now quit to do, go back into to-do list, go to planned, and there you go. That's the task planned and assigned for tomorrow. We will receive a notification in the notification center to tell us that we must complete this task tomorrow, Thursday the 17th of February. Now let's quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.